Hi again and welcome back. In the previous episode, we created an extra level. In this episode, we will add some background objects to enhance the scenery. Let's get going then. In the sprites folder, we have the sprite called background objects. Select it and change the sprite mode to multiple. Then open the sprite editor. Click on Slice. This time we can leave the type to automatic and proceed on slicing. Click on the colorful rectangle on the right to see the sliced pieces better. The squares should be surrounding the pictures closely. It is not necessary to rename this, but for the sake of clarity, I will do it. It is easier to recognize them in hierarchy, for example. When you are done, hit Apply and close the window. Open the background sprite by pressing from the small triangle. Then just drag the objects you want to the scene and place them where you want. Remember to adjust the order in layer value to place the objects behind the ground. The lowest value will be drawn behind others. The default value for all sprites is 0. I will set the stone to -1. If I want this bush to be behind it, I need to set the bush to -2. You can also place some stones and pushes in front of player. In this case, set the sorting value high enough. Earlier, we set the player's value to 2. So this stone would need to be set to 3 to be drawn before the player. If the UI gets in the way, you can disable it for a while, but remember to activate it after you are done. Now, go ahead and decorate the levels according to your taste. When you're done, create an empty game object and name it to BG. Then drag all the background objects as its children. This way the hierarchy stays clean and tidy. Feel free to decorate the other levels as well. Great! Now the environment looks better. The game is now finished. Only thing left to do is that we build the game. We will do that in the next episode. Save the scene and see you there.